My name's Sierra Redding and I'm the art teacher here at Pierce High School. I loved the assembly. I enjoyed his not only commitment to the group, but also a commitment to individuals. You know, as a classic teacher move, it's like, whoa, you really called out a kid with a cell phone like very well. But then also being able to highlight the positives of each individual as well. And I think that's always like a really difficult balance when working with large groups of people. And so because of that, I thought I was really impressed by that. I know yesterday I had a couple kids who were like sophomores who were telling me how they really enjoyed it in the past. And so because of that, I was excited to see, you know, what it was all about. When they're in middle school, there's like so much going on that there's, you know, sometimes it doesn't actually hit them as much because this is such, it's like their beginning stages of starting to like make those decisions in their lives. And so now that they're hearing it again as older people, I think that it's actually hitting harder because these interactions that he's talking about are actually happening more often. And so that's why I think that it's great to be able to reiterate that because it's going to like hit better, it's going to hit harder. Yeah. Yeah. I think that being from, like, this is a small school, we're a small community, we're like a small rural space. There are so many people here that went to school here. There's so many kids whose parents went to school here. And so I think that there's a culture of, you know, like you continue. And I really enjoyed that iteration or that storytelling of like, you don't have to. And knowing that there are other opportunities for you, there is an option for you to not be doing the things that your parents did. And so that kids to know that there are other options. And that may be, you know, like social habits, or it can be career pathways or, you know, whatever. And so I think that that was a really good thing to be sharing and reiterating. Yeah, I think it's super valuable. I think it's great for students just to hear. I think that a lot of our students and the student population in general right now hears a lot of general stuff from social media or whatever. You know, they feel as if they've already seen it. They have this idea of like, oh yeah, I get it. But when there's actually a physical person telling you stories and being a part of their lives physically one-on-one with that, like that is necessary. I think that that's when I see students actually getting more and more engaged, is when there's like multi-levels of something. So that's what I would kind of like give feedback for the future.